Hi everyone, I'm Leon a magician who has been performing magic for nearly 10 years. I have always been thinking about how to turn the snowflake routine that every magician loves into something more simple to operate. Today, I'm very proud to recommend this snowflake vase. It is a snow blowing device jointly developed by my good friend Leno and N2G. It looks just like a normal vase, but once you put your snowflakes close to it, the snowflakes will be blown 1.5 to 2 meters high. Meanwhile, a rose can be safely inserted on the vase, making the picture more magical. Snowflake vase is elegant, natural, and light. Compared with the common snow blowing devices in the market, snowflake vase is much easier to carry and works more smoothly and effortlessly. This is the snowflake vase, a product every magician deserves.